Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to use Boost on Likee. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Likee application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Likee if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. As you can see in the bottom tabs, we have 4 tabs where we have everything about your profile. You have your messages and chat rooms. We have the plus button where you can go and put your own creative stuff there. We have the explore, and at the end guys we have the For You page where you can check videos made for you. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use Boost on Likee. So how much money do you want to make for 100 followers? Sadly, the answer is 0. So most influencer marketing firms are looking for influencers with a bare minimum of 10k followers. So first of all, to get boosts and everything, you have to have about 10k followers. So you cannot be a small creator with about only 100 followers. You can create high engine content, post by high quality videos, use the most relevant hashtags, stick to consistent postings, go on with recent trends, make use of trending sounds and effects, use only short videos, and engage with your audience. So those are only some of the things that you can do to of course boost your account on Likee. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.